So guys, it's Rain Extreme. So today we're back here in Batangas.
Oh, hi!
I think this is part 5. I don't know, but I'll check out the videos later. So we'll see what part is this. So we're going somewhere, and look at this. We're going here. Look at that tricycle. Let's go!
Sekarang nga, parang aloy, ubo ng ubo eh. Mauna sa cellphone mo ha. Lala kami ha.
Dagat. Ay, dagat sa dagat. Bigat ng baby.
We're buying some pig or like something right here. There's a lot of fish right here and some eggs. And yeah, it's a little bit smelly.
May eco bag ka pa. Nakalimutan ko yung aking eco bag.
Nash. We can buy some fries, bro.
May kalahati na fishball. Kalahati lang.
Meron ka dun sa bahay na ano, yung parang cheese powder. So we're gonna buy some fries right here, and yeah, it's so great right here. There's a lot of food right here. Got some oil, the syrup thing, and yeah. Great day in Batangas. So many people. Let's go. Why it's so hot? Oh. Wow, we're just going home right now, and yeah, it's a great journey.
Baka mag-melt. Kaya inano mo na.
So, we're going somewhere right here. It's very dark. Okay, let's put the camera open. It's brownie. so dark. Super dark. It's wet because it rains. Chicken.
Oo.
Alright guys, so the reason why I didn't play basketball because it rains so hard and it became wet. This surface, it's wet a little bit but not too much. But it rained hard, but it's now dry out and maybe tomorrow we will play some ball game, basketball. But also poop. It's a dirt.